Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
We're here arriving at Cebu Airport in Mactan. I still got like almost 2 hours. Huh? I'm gonna see how much is coffee. Yeah. And a Big Mac. Oh, and a big mug. Oh, there's a Burger King here. Oh, they sell coffee there at Burger King, huh? I'm gonna go right now. See if I can drink one before I leave. What are you doing? You still laying down? Air Asia. Whoa, that's a big plane. I said there's a big plane right here. Yeah. Air Asia. Oh, I see a coffee shop. I'm gonna get coffee because you know the coffee they had at the cafe. It was a little cup and it was 65 peso. I know, I was like, oh no. Oh shit. Cebu Airport, this is nice. This is definitely not, this definitely doesn't look like when I came. I'm pretty sure I landed on a different terminal. Oh yeah, it is a different terminal. It's because there's different sides, like people that just arrive and people like departure, you know.